Hi beauties, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. You guys, one of my favorite indie brands ever sent me over the biggest PR box ever, and I am so grateful. Thank you so much, Lash Co. Now, if you follow me on TikTok, you have already seen this unboxing, but today I wanted to dive into it a little bit more and try everything out for you guys. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. It helps me out a lot and I surely do appreciate it. Without further ado, let's jump into it. So first things first, she sent me over 5 more of these fluffy, cute headbands with these bows on them. Let me tell you guys, she sent me one of these a couple months ago, and I fell in love with these. Like, they are so cute, and they are literally perfect to get your hair out of the way when you're doing a face mask or you're doing your makeup. And since I love these things so much, I wanted to go ahead and put 2 of these into my giveaway pile because I want you guys to enjoy them as much as I do. And this one is definitely my favorite, so this is the one I'll be wearing today. Just look at it! Oh, MG. It's so cute. I can't. Y'all, next she sent me over the cutest little LV inspired mask, and I love this so much. You guys know my old background, I used to have an LV wall, and this is just so adorable. I love this so much. My girl also has slime on her shop, so she sent me over one of her slimes, and this one is called Frankenberry Crunch. Y'all, this smells so delicious. Like, I could almost eat it, but I know you're not supposed to eat it, so it's not edible. Like, I can't do that, but this is so amazing. I just love the scent of it. She went ahead and sent me over another one of these like toothbrush looking things, but this is mostly used for, like, I'm assuming when you do your hair and stuff. I like to use them for when I'm doing my eyebrows sometimes. I feel like this side will be perfect for doing your eyebrows because you could just like rub the glue stick in there and stick your brow hair straight up, so I'm definitely gonna have to try it out for that. She also sent me over a cute little beauty blender, which I will also be putting in my giveaway pile. I have so many beauty blenders, y'all, and I want this to be able to go to a good home where it'll actually get use out of it. Next thing we have is the Makeup by Chey glitter stack, okay? This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pigments in it, and then 2 glitters on the top. You guys, this is freaking bomb. I have not tried the pigments yet, but I am so excited to try this. Y'all don't even know. Also, you guys, don't mind my neck. I'm a little stained, okay? A little. Next we have the Spooky Stack, which I have already used. If you have seen my Beetlejuice look, I have already used this baby. I'm already in love. Y'all know I love my glitter, okay? And this also has a little orange pigment, which I have already used for my pumpkin patch look as well, and I love it. This is just beautiful. Thank you so much, Lash Co, for sending me over and hooking me up with the glitter, girl. Y'all, this brand literally has my favorite colored lashes ever, and she sent me more colors, and I'm so excited to show you guys. So first one that she sent is Belle, and this pair is literally just calling my name. Like, I might have to use these ones today. They are just a gorgeous, gorgeous yellow. And here we have Jocelyn, which is just a normal pair that are very fluffy and beautiful. And since I already have so many pairs of lashes, I'm going to go ahead and throw Jocelyn into the giveaway pile for you guys. And last but not least, we have Sleeping Beauty. This one is a gorgeous pink pair. Last but certainly not least, maybe even the star of the show, she sent me over 2 of her gorgeous palettes, y'all, and I love her palettes. They are so pigmented, they blend so amazing, and they are just so bomb. The first palette that we have here is called the Princess Sofia palette, and I feel like this palette is just like so gorgeous. I know I say that a lot, but I feel like you could do mostly anything with this palette. Like, it's beautiful and it's got color and it's got like neutrals and stuff, so I cannot wait to try this out, y'all. And the other gorgeous palette that we have here is called Ice Cream Social. This one is, oh my gosh, wait till I open this. Wait till I open this. Oh, do you see this? Do you see this magical masterpiece? This palette, y'all, just screams my freaking name. Y'all know I love color and glitter. The glitter. So this palette is just like so beautiful. I used it yesterday on my alien look and oh my gosh, I cannot get enough of it. I'm definitely going to be using this a lot more in the future. Now that you guys have seen everything in this amazing PR box, let's go ahead and start putting some of these products on our face. First things first, I'm going to start by taking some concealer and just priming my eyelids. And I really want to use the yellow Belle lashes today. So I'm going to try to come up with an eyeshadow look that will go well with those. Before we start putting these shades on our eyes, I went ahead and did a few swatches. I did 3 of the mattes and then 2 or 3 of the shimmers. And oh my god, it's looking stunning, y'all. And here are a few swatches from the Ice Cream Social palette. And this glitter right here actually has some like little stars in it. Super cute. The first shade I am going to take is Lemon Sorbet from the Ice Cream Social palette. And I'm just going to start putting that up in my crease. Ooh, y'all, that is pigmented. It looks like a freaking highlighter. I love it. Now I'm going to be going in with this yellow shade in the Princess Sofia palette. I did notice that this palette doesn't have any shade names like the Ice Cream Social palette. So I would like to see some shade names in here. But nonetheless, let's see how this bad baby applies. It is looking cute, y'all. I love it. Oh my gosh. It's like a mustard yellow. So I love that we have 2 different shades of yellow here. Since there is a whole lot of yellow going on right here, I do want to add a different color. So I'm going to take this beautiful darker blue color and start putting this right on the outsides of the eyeshadow. It's obviously going to look green because we're putting it on top of a yellow eyeshadow. But I'm loving it because I love green. That's my favorite color. So this eye look is looking fabulous so far and I am absolutely loving it. It's giving me like total peacock vibes, honestly. But now it is time to cut that crease. So I'm just going to take some micellar water on a flat brush and start cutting. Now I'm going to be going into this kind of like cream shade right here in the Princess Sofia palette. And I'm just going to start putting that over where we just cut our crease with concealer. You guys know I love, love, love my glitter. So I'm going to take the glitter stack, the Makeup by Chey glitter stack, and I'm going to use the second glitter in this stack and start putting it right here on my cut crease. So first I'm just going to take some lash glue and line it right along that line. And now I'm going to take this small little brush and start picking up some of the glitters and start putting it right along that line where we just put the glue. This is definitely going to take some time, but it'll be totally worth it once it's done. Now that we got that glitter on, and y'all, it is looking so fabulous. Like, I am obsessed. I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Diamond Duo eyeliner and lash glue from Lavish Boutique and start making a little wing. Now I am going to be adding the beautiful Belle lashes. I cannot wait to put these on my eyelids, y'all. They are just stunning. I'm not adding any mascara to my top lashes because these lashes are yellow and I don't want it to look weird. Ooh, she cute. Alrighty, beauties, since we have basically used all the goodies that she sent over to me, I'm gonna hop off camera and finish the rest of my face, and we will be back for my final thoughts. Alrighty, beauties, I finished up the rest of my face, and I took like the little part that I chopped off to fit my eyelash to the top. I took that part and added it to the bottom with some other bottom lashes. I think it looks so cute and it ties the look all together. But before we get to our final thoughts, I'm gonna take this loose pigment pigment that in this like kind of iridescent shade, and I wanted to use it as my highlight. It looks really blinding, but I'm gonna be easy with it because it is a loose pigment. Okay. Hello, bling bling is here in the house and it is here to stay. I love this. Oh my gosh, I'm probably gonna use this as highlighter all the time now. So pretty. Well, beauties, this is the final look. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh, you guys, I cannot say enough good things about Lash Co. I love their products so much, like it's not even funny, but this eyeshadow look and this glitter looks just beyond amazing. Like I cannot get over it. The only thing about the lashes is that I wish the band wasn't clear. That's like the only thing. The band's like clear, so I feel like I have to like line it with eyeliner so that it actually like you can't tell that it's there. But other than that, I literally just love everything, and this shade for highlighter is my new favorite. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love filming reviews. If you can't tell, that's mostly what's on my channel, but it's literally like my favorite thing to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you stay to the end of this video, go ahead and leave me a yellow heart in the comments because hello, yellow lashes. But anyways, I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.